Happy day 5. My neighbor, I'm literally running out the door to meet up with Megan. I'm going to be late, but my neighbor just knocked on the door and you will not believe what she brought me. It's like one of the coolest gifts I've ever gotten. She brought me cookies with my book cover. How cool is this? So we've got the book cover, just one more chapter, bookmark, secrets can kill. It has my little tagline on there with the book. And then there's this one that's just a blood splatter. How cool is this, you guys? There's a whole box of them. Brought a bunch of cookies. I don't even want to eat it. I just want to stare at it. How cute is this? That totally makes my day. But I also do need to get on the road because I think Megan is almost there and I have just been running late after late after late. So let's go do some writing and buying some new books. Okay, we're here. My friend Megan is already here. I have my super cute Hello Kitty backpack. I also brought some books to trade in. You never really get a lot for the books, but got to make space for the new books. And these are all ones that I've read already. So let's go in there. We're going to have some coffee and trade in books and just try to forget any of the worries of the world and have a good time today and hopefully get some work done on the story. So let's do this. So this may not be the best, like wearing a hat on the floor here because I don't have a lot of light, but I just wanted to show you my book haul from Half Price Books. So I did end up finding the Selection, which is an older YA series in a full box set of all the paperbacks. And I have been wanting to read this series for a long time. And a lot of times when I go to Half Price Books, they'll have like 2 out of the 5 books, but they never have the Selection. I guess people just hold on to that as the first in the series or else it sells out a lot faster. So when I saw the full set, I grabbed that. I also grabbed Serpent and Dove. And so I've read this, The Hunger Games, but I was mentioning before that I have all the books in this series in hardcover, but when I had purchased them used last time, they didn't have The Hunger Games. So I did get that today. Not exactly to reread, but just to have. I also got Jennifer Armentrout's From Blood and Ash. I got the next, so this is this is more of a young adult. This is not a romantasy competition book. However, this was in the clearance section. This is a Maureen Johnson Truly Devious book, and I didn't have this one, so I grabbed it. Then this again is also another YA like mystery type one that's called Our Crooked Hearts. Our Crooked Hearts by Melissa Albert, which my friend Megan that I was there with said this is really, really good. So not part of the romantasy / competition haul, but still good. So These Violent Delights, I have also heard, is very good. Book by Chloe Gong. I think I had mentioned that I was looking for that one, and I was able to find the first book, but not the second. And then also in the clearance section for only $3 was The Nature of Witches, Rachel Griffin, which I've had on my list since this book came out. And I figure for $3, I'm going to grab it, even though I don't actually have time to read it right now. So really, I got a few of the books on my list. They did not have, many of you said, give A Court of Thorns and Roses a try, but they did not have any. And when I asked the guy, they had them brand new, full price, but they didn't have any used books. And so I wasn't able to get that. But the guy said that the Sarah J. Maas books come in and go like immediately. Those just get sold out like right away. Sorry, I cannot get the lighting is not going to work out here. What if we take my hat and put it backwards? Looks kind of ridiculous. So that's the book haul. We had fun. I didn't actually get any words, but Megan and I talked a lot about release strategy, what I want to do with this story, world building, what she's working on. So sometimes it just helps to have a day of browsing and perusing bookstores, talking with friends, thinking about your strategy. Every day does not have to be a complete writing day, but we are still going for a goal. And I know that sometimes what helps me when I'm in a brainstorming phase is to kind of give myself a deadline. Like, okay, you can brainstorm, you can play, you can let your brain noodle around, but there is going to be a point where we got to get going on the writing. So what I'm going to say is today was Wednesday. You guys are seeing this on Thursday. Thursday, I've got a lot of stuff to do with admin things, a meeting again with Amber and different stuff like that. But I'm going to try to finish up as much of my index cards that I can, thinking through what's happening in this particular book. I probably, after I sign off right now, will go ahead and work through some of those ideas and index cards tonight while I'm like upstairs hanging out with the kids. They've got a little bit of screen time. We just finished dinner. And then I will do some more reading tonight. Tomorrow, try to get at least the first 4 or 5 scene cards down so that I can start writing on Friday. I will still be noodling around, brainstorming. I've got a flight on Sunday, which is going to mean hour or so in the car, several hours through security and on the plane and all of that kind of stuff. But I have no idea what to expect in terms of Vegas. I have some meetings set up. I'm going to try to write a little bit. I don't know that I'll end up having daily vlogs while I'm there because it's just difficult to find the time to edit and I'm not around my big PC and stuff like that. So what I might do is record a vlog of the event, but then do daily check-ins like I did if you were here last year, like when I was in Waco, which would be just me setting up my camera in my hotel room and doing a quick daily update and then sharing the vlog once I get home and have time to edit it. So I'll keep you updated. We're going to play it loose because I don't want it to add stress. I just want to share the process. So as it is right now, I'm going to go read. I'm going to work on my story ideas tonight. And then tomorrow I will try to finish up a bunch of admin stuff, start packing for my trip and get those last or first few scene cards done so that I can start writing on Friday. That's my goal. So if you are ready to start writing and you're scared, need to clear your mind, like maybe set a goal for yourself of like, okay, by Monday, I'm going to start my word count. And just remember with the Rough Draft Challenge, if you're competing or if you're participating in the Rough Draft Challenge, you can go in and change your goal at any point. So if you said 50K and you can see now, okay, 10K is going to be the best you can do, go in and change the goal. 5K, 1K, 30 minutes a day. You can go in and change that goal. There's no rules saying that you can't. So feel free to go do that. I am going to go hang out with the fam, take my book upstairs, get some reading in, and try to relax a little bit. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.